By the end of the video, you'll know about your muscle building journey starts here. Essential tips and techniques. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of muscle building. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, these essential tips and techniques will help you sculpt those biceps, build a strong core, and develop lean muscle mass. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. First, let's discuss how to lift effectively. Start with the basic moves like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. Proper form is key to avoid injury and maximize your gains. Next up, nutrition. Eating enough protein is crucial for muscle growth. Include lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and plant-based proteins in your diet. Remember to stay hydrated too. Rest is also crucial. It's when your muscles grow and recover. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and incorporate rest days into your workout routine. Lastly, consistency is key. Stick to your workout routine and challenge yourself regularly to see results. Remember to celebrate your progress along the way. It's not a race but a journey. Thanks for joining us on this muscle building adventure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Stay fit and healthy, everyone.